Why don't Hyundai Genesis G80 and Lexus ES play hide and seek together? Because the Genesis always says, "Can't find you ES, you must be hiding in my blind spot again." And now let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Hyundai Genesis G80 versus Lexus ES. Difference 1. Initially, the most apparent difference between these two vehicles is the brand. While the Genesis G80 originates from Hyundai, a South Korean automaker known for creating high-quality, economically efficient vehicles, the Lexus ES is a product of Lexus, a luxury division of the Japanese automaker Toyota. Difference 2. The second difference lies in the engine capabilities. Hyundai Genesis G80 comes equipped with the standard 3.8 LV6 engine, which delivers 311 horsepower, while the Lexus ES has a 3.5 LV6 engine that only provides 302 horsepower. Difference 3. Another difference is the in-fuel efficiency. The Lexus ES slightly edges out the Genesis G80 as it offers more miles per gallon. This may be a deciding factor for buyers who prioritize fuel economy. Difference 4. In terms of infotainment, the Genesis G80 demonstrates superiority with its 14.5-inch touchscreen, while Lexus ES sticks to a more modest 8-inch display, offering a less immersive experience. Difference 5. The pricing varies between the two models. Genesis G80 tends to be more expensive than the Lexus ES, reflecting the higher degree of luxury and performance it offers. Difference 6. You would find a discrepancy in the standard features. Genesis G80, for instance, includes driver attention warning, lane keeping assist, and blind spot collision avoidance assist as part of its standard safety suite. Lexus ES, however, does not offer these features as standard. Difference 7. In the area of interior quality and design, some users may prefer the more modern and luxurious aesthetic of the Genesis G80, while others may appreciate the timeless and classy feel of the Lexus ES. Difference 8. The Genesis G80 provides more legroom in the rear seats compared to the Lexus ES, offering a more comfortable experience for passengers. Difference 9. There is a difference in their warranty and maintenance programs. Genesis offers a longer warranty period and included maintenance compared to Lexus, offering better peace of mind for owners. Difference 10. Regarding transmission, the Genesis G80 comes with an 8-speed shiftable automatic transmission, while the Lexus ES has only a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission, reflecting in the Genesis G80's more nuanced and adaptable driving options. Difference 11. Lastly, the overall reliability rating of the two varies marginally, with the Lexus ES often outperforming the Genesis G80, according to a number of auto rating platforms. This could be another critical factor affecting potential buyers' decisions.